How's it going, everybody? This is Ike from the Forerunner Forums. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of Lasfit's newest product, which is an air inflator designed for 4x4s. So this inflator theoretically can inflate large tires like a 33 or 34-inch tire. Today we'll be testing it out on a 34-inch tire, specifically a Yokohama MT G003. The specs are 285 75 17, which is a 34-inch tire. But let's go over the specs of this inflator real quick. So this inflator here has dual 24mm cylinders. It does 50 liter per minute airflow. It does contain a 1200 mAh battery. It does allow you to set a preset pressure, and it will automatically shut off once it hits that predetermined pressure. It does have dual power supplies, so you can charge the battery, or you can run it directly off AC power. Maximum PSI is 150 PSI, which is more than enough to inflate tires. You can also inflate other things like basketballs, bicycle tires, air mattresses. It's pretty much up to you. So this comes in a black cardboard box, but inside the box, Lasfit has packaged the inflator in a hard shell. So this hard shell is pretty cool because it protects the inflator during transport, so your compressor or inflator is not moving around while you're driving. Inside the hard shell here, you have a pouch on the left for accessories, and then you also have the inflator or compressor on the right hand side. The inflator itself has a screen here that's not powered on right now, and it does have buttons to turn on the inflator right below it. On the top of the inflator, you have a port for the air hoses, a USB charging port here for your electronics. The charging port for the inflator itself is a Type-C port here. It does have an LED light here. On the bottom of the inflator is an AC adapter for the cigarette light adapter. You can either plug this in directly to your vehicle or to something like a Jackery over there. You can also plug in that USB Type-C into the Jackery if you want to charge it that way. The only issue that I found out with this inflator is the 12-volt cigarette charger only supplies direct power to the compressor or inflator. It does not charge the battery. In order to charge the battery, you have to use a Type-C USB. Lasfit does provide the cable, but they do not provide a wall charger. So you will have to provide your own wall charger or connect it directly to something like a Jackery. To turn on this inflator, go and hit the power button, hold it down for 3 seconds. It'll say on. Right here, you'll see this little sign for a vehicle. To change the modes, you hit this button down here. So right now it's vehicles or car tires, bicycle tires, ATV tires, and obviously balls, mattresses, anything like that. You also have a battery indicator here. Fully charged is 4 bars. Currently this is pretty low, so I do need to charge it. Going back to setting this back to vehicle tires. So right now it's preset to 37.5. There's a plus and minus button here. You can change it by 0.5 PSI. Once this hits this predetermined PSI or pressure, this inflator will shut off. Currently showing 0.0 because obviously it's not connected to anything. On the back of this inflator, there is an area here to put the adapters, so it's not basically moving around inside this hard shell. So let's look at the accessories that Lasfit includes with the inflator. So you do have a USB cable here. You have additional accessories to basically inflate balls. You have an additional screw-on type adapter. I guess a smaller one here for mattresses or floatables for pools and whatnot. Lasfit also includes this quick disconnect air chuck, which I find invaluable. So that way, if you're inflating tires, you don't lose a lot of air pressure trying to twist the hoses off. Lasfit also includes 2 different types of hoses, a black one and a red one. Just looking at it, it looks like they're the same. So this is the screw-on portion that goes into the inflator itself. And then the other side obviously is a screw-on area or adapter for your tires. I personally would just screw a quick disconnect to this end here and just be done with it. Lastly, Lasfit does include the AC cigarette adapter. Again, this is only good for continuous power to the inflator. It does not charge the battery pack. So if you do run out of juice, you could run continuous power, which I find invaluable. Yeah, so basically this is the unboxing for the Lasfit inflator. This is only part one of two parts. The second part, we will actually test this on some 34-inch tires. Again, thank you for watching this review. I appreciate it. And a shout out to Lasfit for allowing me to test this product. How's it going, everybody? This is Ike from the Forerunner Forums. Today we are testing the Lasfit air inflator. We are currently going to test this on a Geolander MT G003 285/75/17, which is a 34-inch tire. Right now I have the tire deflated to 20 psi. We're going to try to get this up to 35 psi and see how long it takes. So currently this should shut off once it hits that predetermined pressure. All right, guys, so that took about 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Not too bad for a portable air inflator. I do have an ARB single. I think the ARB single that's hard mounted in the vehicle is a little bit faster, but not by much. This product is pretty good for what it's advertised for. I would probably use this as if I had a passenger. He can help me inflate my tires. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this portable inflator. Again, thank you Lasfit for allowing me to test this product.